Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Poor Kids with Rich Dreams. My name is Justin, and today is going to be a very hectic day that I'm already starting late. So today, we got gun range. And after the gun range, we're going to go fix my flat tire because my valve stem was leaking. Hopefully. And then after that, we're going to try to make it to my sister's last JV softball game. So we'll see how long I decide to take at the gun range. Yeah, cut to that right now. All right, so we're here.
Hey, cute.
I'm only gonna bleep that out. Huh? No. I hate you. It's pretty sick.
I was calling this fucker at like 9.
Dude.
I texted him at 8.
Dude. So like I woke up at 7.
I had to leave no honey.
Woke up at 7 and I was like, you know what? I'll just leave at 8. And then the girl woke me up at 8. And I was like, alright, cool. So I'm putting on my socks and I'm like, and then my girl kicks me at like 8:30. She's like, get up, it's 8:30. I'm like, oh. So if you guys don't remember from the other episode, this is Cody.
Hello.
And this is the franchise owner of Dickies. The address to them is right here. And then that's a little girl. Cover fire. Alright, so that's it. We're done at the range. I'm gonna set you guys up right over here. So we're done at the range. Now we're going home to do my valve stem. Hopefully we can do it today. Otherwise, I'm gonna be screwed for work. I'm gonna have to either one wheel it or Uber it. And then after, what the heck is that? After, hopefully, we'll be able to make it to my sister's softball game. And then we can relax and clean guns. And maybe I'll do a Q&A. Yeah, maybe I'll do a Q&A. Alright, so I'm leaving the range, which is a sad time because I like the range and it's fun. I will see you guys at home. Alright, so it's 1:45. Got into contact with Mike's. Yeah, they close at 2, but thankfully they said just bring the car by, we'll wait for you. So shout out to Mike's. Tow truck should be coming soon. I heard them backing up. Looks like they got regular tow truck. Okay, I'll see you guys in my car. Alright, so it's 2:45, so we definitely aren't gonna make my sister's softball game. And yeah, so I got my tire back. They replaced the valve stem. Tire's good, tire's balanced. There's no shaking. So right now, I'm actually gonna go and visit my brother Josh. Visit my brother Josh to drop off his skateboard, and then go bother my sister Brandy at her job. So, see you guys there. You're welcome. Thanks.
Let her bring up somebody else.
There she is. A wild Brandy. Okay, so we bothered Brandy already. You guys saw. She's busy. Now we're heading back to my car. Oh my goodness. Just boom. We're heading back to my car. Yeah, so we're gonna grab Chewy some food and then we're gonna go home. I will see you guys at the pet store. Alright, so we got my dog's food from Kalihi Pet Center. Shout out to them for great prices. Got super holistic, vegan, no, not vegan, like really good stuff for my dog. He loves it, he's a pug. Yeah, so right now we're gonna go home and we might do some stuff tonight. But if not, you guys won't hear that. And I will go straight into the sponsors. All right, and so the vlog continues. So it is pretty late, not gonna lie, it's pretty late. My brother hit me up, said, hey, let's go night shooting. And I was like, okay, let's go. Baby's asleep, both of them. See what I did there? So they're both asleep. Onward to pick up my brother. See you guys there. Okay, and we're done shooting here in town. It's 2:30 right now, so we're probably just gonna head home. It's pretty late. We would have gotten more shots, but it's late, so yeah, we're going home. Yeah, Chronix is out. A lady right there is fucking peeing in a bucket. Right there. I'm sure she's making doo-doo. Oh, probably, yeah, that too. Alright. First sponsor, thank you to the Motor Crush app. It's a great app. Click the links down below in the description to download it. It's a meetup app and a location sharing app. So one of the coolest features that you always hear me rave about is when you leave your house, you can actually let your homies know that you're leaving even though you're not. Shout out to Boss Level Co. If you guys want some pretty dope shirts for a pretty dope price, go ahead and check them out. Website right here. Go ahead and use the code PKRD to get 10% off anything in their store. Shout out to Dickie's Capole. I saw you earlier today, but I didn't show the food. Good shooting today. And yeah, go check them out. Their address is right here again. Really good food, really good barbecue, authentic Texas barbecue. Although they're a franchise, they still have high quality ass meats. Their brisket is nice and delicious. Their chicken breast is actually pretty good. It's not dry. A lot of people say white people don't know how to cook chicken. These guys know how to cook chicken. Their pulled pork is amazing. So much fat and so much meat. Last but not least, shout out to wickedlyboosted.com. If you guys need anything boost related, shirts, hoodies because it's fall in the mainland, stickers, banners, key tags, keychains, and hats and beanies, go ahead, click the link in the description below and use the code PKRD10 to get 10% off anything in their store. I know it's only 10% off, but hey, we're just poor kids with rich dreams. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. All the links down in the description. See you guys later.